Okay, I'm going to show you how to disable programs that runs in the background. All you have to do is right click on taskbar, click on task manager, go to startup. Here you will have a list of all the programs running in the background. Now you can just click on it and disable it. Just make sure it's not a program that you need or that you use regularly. Obviously don't disable antiviruses or updating software. Like this, like sound, doesn't disable your sound, it's just the app. You can disable that, Steam, programs like that. If you're not sure about a program, you can right click on it, click on search online. It will bring up websites that will explain to you what the program does and if you can disable it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.